Morning, everybody. Right, first of the month. And, well, we're slowly lighting down towards car season, aren't we? First of Feb, so we're heading there. So, obviously, you'll all be up to bits and pieces and whatever you're up to. So, that's an issue I'm going to go on about because this is a mask, right? And it used to have like a gauze here. And it was a bit like bandages, like layers of bandages, like laminate material. And it used to put it in, drop it in it like a pad, used to come out in a blue box. A lot of my subscribers will remember, pull that blue box, stick one in, fold over, put it on. Now that, I used to paint with that. That was my painting mask. Val Flash, Permabel, hot pot, boil paint up, ink gun. What is it? Just a standard, what is it? Just a standard gun and a suction gun. Blow them over, one coat, game over done. Hot priming, Selly primer mainly. I build used to be like a thick footing gun. You just constantly kept it going in the store. It used to just shell up on Selly, you clean nozzle, break it off, you just blow your primer in, stuff like that. That's how it was back then. That's how it was. And now, obviously, now I suffer a bit. With breathing and stuff. I mean, whatever the rate, I can't make the mind whether I've got occupational asthma or COPD, but obviously, I get irritations. I work with things, and they make things worse. So, I mean, it's a case of me now that it's managing it. I mean, I don't fag it anymore. I've long get done with fags. So, I mean, that's probably a definite plus with any breathing issue. But with these old cars, this is what I'm going to do a video about. You've still got a lot of like nasty things inside them. And just because we're like in a modern sort of world and you've got better sort of masks for if you're doing things, you've got like these. I mean, I'm not saying you won't paint one of these. Nobody would paint one of them. They'd be daft to do it like that. I mean, that protection is better than no protection if you're trying something. But what I'm saying is I won't advise that. If you're painting now, you want a good, proper filtered mask. I mean, if you can have an airfed, get an airfed. I mean, I don't use one, and I know some of you have seen me painting and you pull the face white and you got an airfed mask, blah, blah, blah. I think I'm just that much of a dinosaur. Somebody's offered to lend me one, which I'm going to try on a car. Probably this Zodi, actually. But if I start and it's playing me up and it's in my way, it'll be off and I'll be back to me, what is it, my 3M with a new set of filters in for paint. So, but that's mean. That won't have to be you. But as I was going back to cars, I mean, there's a lot of like nasties in them. You're messing around with your brakes and stuff like that. You can be messing with engines. You've got seals in engines, rope seals. You've got a lot of stuff that could be like bits of asbestos and stuff in them. I mean, it's probably solvents in paints. What's probably caused problems? It's probably fags on tell. I used to smoke. I could smoke for England. I only smoked menthol fags. That's all I ever smoked all my life. But I smoked plenty on them. Don't worry about that. And I used to blow brakes off with airline. I mean, all stuff like that you did when they were probably full of asbestos and that. And that's what you did. It's just that's what it. I worked with a lot of wood, so that probably don't tell. But realistically, we send now. I mean, like I said, from comments as well, I'm getting a lot of feedback. A lot of people have got projects, and they have got projects and proper projects. I mean, there's a rack here, there's a column here behind me and a steering wheel. And that's for an hearse, the Mach 4 hearse. Guys are only stuck for that. He's bought this hearse and it's like, well, it's a bit of a rough old diamond, but he wants to do it. He's always wanted one, which I'm going to take my hat off to him. And obviously, I think somebody's been going to break it. So they've obviously sold columns. So anyhow, that's going down there and it went front to his house. And he's obviously going to tackle it. He needs some roof cutters. He needs this. He needs that. But that's a typical like old thing that you've got to get into, a bit like this one, and there's a lot of mess and, you're going to get a lot of dust. So they're sort of things you've got to be careful with. So if he's doing that one, I know a lot more of you on here are doing that. I mean, and what I find is obviously, well, damage is done to the level it's done. Hopefully I'll not make it get a bit worse, but I have been towing a bit for a couple of weeks, but I don't know if that's down to I've been in my mates tidying up, who fell down the street, and Bill's bloke on his own. I think he thought when his hoover were full, it were broke. So, I mean, I found loads of hoovers in his house, been tidying up for him. I took one of my big industrials down, and dusty as hell, but kept going. Kept masking my sen up, obviously. But, I went to visit him the other day, and if I picked that, but they said I didn't have to wear a mask yesterday because it's like they've got all clear by health and safety and all that. So if they've had a bit of a virus, that's gone. So that's not been giving me a bit of irritation. But last few days, I mean, I've been on that healing. I put like anti-roll bar in. Now I had a bit of carpeting to finish and underlay. Now this is dusty. I can see it all on here. Now that could be an irritation. I've been using a contact adhesive. That could be an irritation. You know, these are things you're going to come across as you get to the latter end before you even start with your grinding, and you know you're going to be. Sorry, when you've done with all your grinding and paint and all that. This is, you know, and then there's a contact here because I had to put a strip of material around dash. So that with proper contact, spread it on, you could get a bit of a whiff off it and heat resistant. Now that's could be that what's irritating me. You know, it could be when I've stuck that down. You know, it could be carpet, it could be fibres of that, could be anything. You know, but these are what you come across if you like, probably like me. There's like an issue going on anyway. But what I'm saying is to you is things are a little bit different now. You know, there's stuff like this. I mean, I know they're not cheap now because they had a field day with them, didn't they, with bleeding COVID. So they creamed it to death. But you're just better off bobbing something like that on if you're at it. And the same with your brakes. Don't go in with airline. It's sold out. Don't go in with airline. I mean, it's like beyond crazy when I think about it now. When I think of just to blow 4 off, so all that dust was flying about. You know, but like on brakes, it was crazy. I mean, now, just take it over, mask your set up, be careful, just brush up best you can, get in it over, clean it all off, get rid of your like, old shoes, because they're more likely they'll have a bit of asbestos in, they'll be old, you know, they'll be old, same, and especially if you've like got hubs on front, it probably will definitely contain, you know, limit your like risk to it, and manage it, and keep it under wraps, and same when you're grinding. You know, you're going to have loads of filler, I've told you before, because you'll think your cars are fantastic. And when you get in grinding hot filler, well, believe you or me, if they're in the garage at the side of the house or it's attached to the house, well, they're not going to be able to see, every shelf in place is going to be covered in it. So try and, if you've got it, just try and get a bit of extraction on it, even if you sand it. You know, get an extractor onto your sander. It'll just take away some of the stuff and save you a lot of hassle. Because I can still see some of you want to get on with it and still want to have a go at it. But also, even if you're maintaining, you want to look after yourself because it's like, well, as I've just said, there's plenty of stuff out there to stop you getting involved in it. A lot of people now, I mean, a lot of my mates do still smoke, actually. It's just here I'm from. You know, it's just here I'm from, and it's just there what sort of people we want. So, but like, I was going to say a lot of people don't smoke, but I suppose a lot of people still do smoke. You know, but it's like, it's probably a different time, so just take a bit of care because end of the day, I mean, these are all your like so-called green issues. They always turn around and say like, well, we don't have big industry, but people live to be well. To be honest with you, if they'd have asked me when I was young, do you want to do what you do and go while you're 50 or 60, or do you want to move into another profession and go while you're 100? Well, I'd have said, well, I'll drop off ladder when I'm 50. I'll fall off perch then. I want to do what I want to do, and I've done what I want to do. And like, I know I've got issues, and I know and it's a case of managing them now. But what I'm saying to you is, I mean, some of you might have, well, manage them. You know, manage them better, and you'll be about a lot longer. And if you ain't got no, well, make sure take precautions that you don't pick out up, because that's what I'm saying. Like I say, we're 1st of Feb, it's going to start bumbling on in its season, so it'll soon be on top of us. It'll soon be like flying about doing this. You'll be seeing me. I mean, even down to this TR4 engineer. As daft as it sounds, this is how silly things can be. I think you've got to watch your is when it's come back, it's been in steam and it's been boiled, done everything, and they've cleaned all craps off. But in the bottom of the liners, there's like a layer of some sort of like sealer. Right, and I was scraping it off over there. Just scraping it off yesterday. Just got knifing gently because I want it as clean as a whistle when it all goes back together and sealed up properly. Now, I ain't got a clue what that sealer is. I was thinking about it, and I thought, I had to mess this up because that could be some form of sealer from ages ago. I don't know what it could be. Somebody had on the shelf because that engine's been built and Guy don't seem to recall his father building it, so it's been built somewhere else. It could have been something that's been on shelf for 50 years. Well, it could have something a bit roguish in it. So take care. Watch what you're doing. Season's coming, and I'll catch you tomorrow. And well, give us a like, you like video. And subscribe to the channel if you want to see more. And if you've got any comments, because no doubt you will have. I'm sure you'll have something to say about this one, everybody. Take care anyway, so bye for now.